Illiteracy in America, the world's most powerful country, is, contrary to many assumptions, a major problem. Illiteracy is particularly prevalent in minority communities, more so among black boys.
A student is in fourth grade and is reading at a high second grade level or maybe even lower.
That's Devonte Augustus, a fourth grade language arts teacher whose lived experience is not an isolated case. In fact, according to an analysis by the U.S. Chamber of Commerce Foundation, in 2018, only 18% of black American fourth graders were proficient in reading. In eighth grade, only 16% of black American students were proficient. In order to solve these literacy setbacks, many have suggested expanding school choice, which, according to its advocates, would give less fortunate parents more options, not relegating them mainly to the perceived failed public school system. Mr. Augustus has a more nuanced approach.
Some people just are not um, in a place, an area where they're fortunate enough to have those options. But I do think that there are a lot of great educators who work in the public school system who are able to teach students and able to see them grow.
Sergio Brown, a veteran fifth grade teacher and dean of students who is now transitioning to high school, believes it is not only a systemic issue. He says it starts in the home first.
I think again it comes back to um, having people in these kids' lives who can help guide them into making good choices.
While the debate continues on the origins of illiteracy in black America, be it because of school choice or the lack thereof, there are things you can do. First, as Mr. Brown and others suggest, you can begin by reading to younger children. As well, begin incentivizing them to read on their own. This will encourage and enrich their reading and computation skills as they grow older. For NewsVision, this is Jay Shakur.